What's up, guys? Steve Scotching Things. Hey, got about 10 days left of my month-long carry on this Hoback Kwaiback, and I love the knife, guys. I thought I would do a quick disassembly and clean it up. I don't know if you can't see it right now, but I guess I could check the box. I don't know what blade finish that is. Nitro V fallout. Yeah, I think it's just like a black stone wash, but I've noticed, like, it's kind of hard to see, but in the pivot area, see, it's starting to wear off. So I thought now would be a good time to take it apart and give it a cleaning and just kind of see what it's like inside. I don't take knives apart in general unless I need to, but I thought this one could use a cleaning. So we will give it a go. It seems fairly simple. Well, I say that now. I don't know, and all the screws, you just saw that, they were all fairly loose. So I don't know if they need, oops, on camera there. So I thought I would just clean everything up. I'm gonna put the bearings back where on the sides they go in. So here are the bearings. And you can see what I'm talking about. It's getting kind of gunky in there. It's not bad, but that finish is starting to wear off. So I thought I'd get her cleaned up and see how it goes. Did I just put that together wrong? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Hold on 1 second. Where are my Q-tips? And should have got that stuff out first. Sorry, guys. There. And I made a mess. I made a huge mess. You guys don't come here for me disassembling knives, because if you've seen any of them before, it's usually a disaster. I hate doing it in front of camera, like just getting it out there and kind of doing everything away from you. There, you can see that. See that black? It's like a black stone wash. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's starting to come off. So I just want to kind of get in there and give it a good cleaning. Yeah, you can see how gunky it was. Oops, see. It's hard for me, like, talking through this one. I'm trying to clean. But that's what you come here for, right? The stimulating conversation from some moron taking apart his knife. And you can see there's a little, 2019 Nitro V. I forgot he marks the steel that the knife came with on the blade handles, which is cool. And like this thing, he's got obviously the lightning pockets in here for such a big knife. It's really comfortable to carry. It's light. Like I don't really care. Like I like big chunky knives, but I was surprised how light this knife was, honestly. Compared to like the Husky, where there's no milling and that thing is just chunky. I'm not gonna put any, yeah, this thing is just grimy. You know, like I said, the screws were all, like the body screws and the pivot were all pretty loose. I don't think I'm gonna Loctite it at this time. I'll just crank them down and see how it goes. We will get the bearings out and get them cleaned up. And I've never done, like this knife is smooth, but it's not, for bearings, it's not super smooth. And that, like I said, I don't really care about that either, but let me know, guys, if anybody's done a bearing swap. I don't know what kind of grease this comes. This is, do you see how dirty that is? It's more like a grease. Wow, those look way better now. If it's like a grease or an oil, what he uses from the factory. Oops. As good as I'm gonna get it. And I think they went like that, maybe. And I forgot to, see, forgot to lube them. So, yeah, sorry, you're not in camera. Guys, this Gunny Glide is the best. And he's from Nebraska, so just put a little bit in there. Maybe too much. Now this is going to be the hard part, I think, because these screws just go all the way through, and I've got to somehow get them. I hope I put these bearings in the right way. I think they went like that. We'll see if I screw it up. Watch this. If I put these bearings in wrong, guys, after I watch this video back, was that up? I was on the scale, yeah. No, because that one was, can't remember how I just did that. Hold on one second. Sorry guys, I went back and rewatched that real quick. I wanted to make sure I had the bearings in the right way and I had them in the wrong way. So that, I just wanted to make sure I got it back together the right way. God, sorry. See, you don't come here to watch me do this crap. And I forgot the standoffs. And this is the hard part for me. See, there's no pockets for these these standoffs, so you gotta be real. For me, this is usually a pain in the ass, getting everything to line up. And that wasn't too hard. I might take that back out because I decided since everything was so loose on there, I am going to throw a little Loctite in. Thanks, Chris Reeve, for sending that along as always. And I didn't clean that. So, yeah, it's a pretty straightforward knife to assemble, disassemble, and clean, so that's nice. And hopefully, just a little bit, hopefully, it will work out okay. I'm gonna take these back out and throw a little Loctite on them. It was weird. A knife that never makes a sound. All of a sudden, I started having this kind of rattling, and I saw that one of these back body screws was a little loose. So I thought, okay, that and the finish starting to wear off the blade. Just a little bit. Starting to, like I said, wear off the blade. Maybe now is the perfect time to take it apart and give it a good cleaning. And this is always, again, I'm not in camera. All right, so you want to be careful here because these thread right into the other scale. So if you were to cross thread that would be a nightmare. That's a giant fail. What? Oh, I thought I heard something. See, guys? Oh my God! You come here to watch the idiot. I am a freaking moron. I thought I heard something, and I thought it was a standoff. It was that stupid stop pin. Kind of need that. Gosh. See? You guys can go to other channels and watch people take apart a knife and show you how it's done the right way. You come here because I'm a complete moron and I do crap like this all the time. There, stop pin in. Golly. And why is that not? We will see. Take 3 or 4. Crank that down, crank that down, crank. Solid as a rock. I mean, the centering was a bit off before. I might mess with that, but honestly, that doesn't bother me. It could just be, if you look, it could just be the grind. I've got no blade play. Good lock up. And honestly, it's a lot smoother already. Just with that gunny glide in there and cleaning it up. So yeah, we'll see. There you go, guys. But yeah, I really love this knife. So stay tuned for the 1 month update coming in about a week or so. But I'm glad I took it apart and cleaned this bad boy out. Thanks for watching, guys.